That means we are.
We're not famous,
No.
but maybe one day.
We're trying.
Oh, dear, so, okay.
This is our lovely Gina
Hi.
in the office of the
Waitui
Kelly
Marina.
Kelly Marina.
Yes.
Good. I'm still tired. I can't even read.
Yeah, Kelly
So she's been looking after us wonderfully. What's next, Emma?
Oh, take on immigration.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much, Gina.
Most welcome. Enjoy Savu Savu and let me know if you need anything.
We will too. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Bye.
Emma, where are we?
We are in Savu Savu. Digicel.
Digicel. Are you wanting to be famous? I do have. Bula. These ladies have been fantastic getting us some phone cards sorted. But I would love to ask both of you, or one of you, what do you love about living here in Savu Savu? Do you live in Savu Savu? Maybe you fly to work every day.
Yeah, we both live in Savu Savu. We actually lived away from home and decided to come back to Savu Savu. We used to live in Viti level and
Viti
no place like home.
Okay.
So we've been back for what 5 years? Yeah.
So this is your home,
Yeah,
but
we
you've
grew
been
up
away
here.
and you've gone, home's better.
And there's no place like home.
A place like
No regrets.
No regrets.
Yeah.
That's good. We're the heart. Nice.
And I think I love living in Savu Savu because I'm surrounded with not only friends but close family members, and they're always there for us when we need them.
Yeah.
And I'm from here, so I live up the coast.
Goodbye. How do you say goodbye? Morning.
Nice meeting you.
And thank you. The Naka. Lots going on in this little town. It's a small town, but it's busy. It's got lots of shops, lots of different things. What's this one? Health.
This is health.
We have to bring the exact money, so we have to get money out of the bank and then go and buy stuff to make the exact money. So we now have the exact money. I think. Thank you. Thank you very much. Just got some shirts for $10 or $20. We're getting a little bite to eat at this little place here, which has some little samosas, and we're having a vegetable stir fry. That's Norla in the distance, and our friend's boat Artemis. And that's Artemis crew and Chico. We're just going for a beer somewhere. 200. That's real good.
310.
How much was it?
343.
343.
Yeah.
343. I was way off.
What dance and music?
Yeah. We got the gas. We're cooking with gas again. We got great tunes in the taxi. A good taxi driver. What is your name, sir?
My nickname is Chotu.
Choku.
Chotu.
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 Yeah.
Easy. That's a bit easier for me. This is how we transport our stuff out to the boat. We have such a full dinghy, and Tam, the lovely man from the marina, has said, bring the water out to you. And then he's giving me a tow. We've put Emma in as well so she can help unload. She was nearly wriggled out of unloading, but now she's been roped in. Smile, can the camera. Hello, sir.
Hello, how are you?
Very well, thank you. How are you?
I'm good.
You're famous now, you're going to be on YouTube.
Where you come from?
Australia. Australia.
How's Fiji?
Huh?
How's Fiji?
Oh, lovely. We love Fiji. The people are fantastic. That's what we love the most. We just got these cocoa fruits at the market. Cacao. They have the seeds inside. And then you take the seed out and you suck on it. Like a lolly is what the lady said. Suck on it like a lolly. Great time last night. Look at this morning. Absolute gold. Here, beautiful. We're about
John. Bula.
John is our driver to take us to the waterfall. Having a lovely drive through the countryside. It's so green here, so green. John says we're very lucky. We picked one sunny week. Every other week it's rainy. This little cafe up on the hillside. Look at the view. Stunning. We have lemongrass tea and it's so fresh. The man is picking it right now. So cool. Fresh as fresh lemongrass tea.
Tea with a view.
Tea with a view.
Yeah.
What do you think of this, Emma?
Oh, I love it. So good.
Beautiful, isn't it? Look at that bird. Way over there in the distance is Naui and Savu Savu. That's where we're moored over in here.
Emma still hasn't learned to dress herself, so the lovely lady's helping her. But actually, there's a special way to tie these on.
You look beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you.
Apparently, I need help as well.
Now,
Come on, come on. You got to boom, boom,
Bula! Now you show me how it's done. That's better, yeah.
Thank you very much for coming. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Vinaka.
Vinaka.
Past the waterfall. John!
Welcome!
It's beautiful, isn't it? Thank you for bringing us here, John.
I feel our love flows like the water. First it falls down just as rain, dancing as it hits the earth, exuberant and explosive. Then begins the journey, running over ground, and I wonder why we ever find the flow. And I wonder why we ever fight the natural flow.
How was that?
Oh, so good. Fresh water 2 days in a row. What a treat. My hair.
Come to get some breadfruit. John's brought us to my friends, and there's a big breadfruit tree. That's the way to do it. That's the way. Hey!
What's that, Sam?
That's our cruising permit. Cruise around Fiji.
What's the name of the YouTube channel?
Sailing Norla. Gina works at the Waitui Marina.
Hi.
Can I ask you what you love about living in Savu Savu?
Oh, I love a lot of things about Savu Savu. Number one, people. Love the friend. They are so friendly, kind, and they're just open to anybody, anytime. Number two, food. Number three, I think how we handle time. It's like a cruising, relaxing time. So no rush. Yep.
You're fantastic. These are all the things that we're loving about it too.
Yes.
Absolutely magic.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for looking after us here too.
You're most
It's
welcome.
been
Anytime.
marvelous. And thanks again to Uncle John.
I will let him know.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Fish curry.
She may throw us against the rugged shore.
Chico! Welcome to Norla.
Thank you.
Welcome to Sailing Norla, in fact. You're on YouTube. What do you think about that, Emma?
Yeah, it's cool.
A hot young man on the boat. What does it feel like to be here so far, mate?
It feels great. It feels great. Feels like family already.
Yeah. Okay, bro. All right, we're going shopping, yeah?
Yeah.
Because we're going out to the Lao group. To
Vanua Balavu.
Yeah.
Vanua Balavu.
Is that right? Vanua
I
Balavu.
think so.
Yeah.
Vanua
I
Balavu.
confuse it all the time.
Yeah.
Sam, you've been looking after us here on the marina. It's fantastic.
Waitui Marina.
Waitui Marina. I ask you, what do you love about living in Savu Savu?
The food and the people around Savu Savu. Perfect.
I concur. That's what we love about it too. Food, the people,
Yeah.
beautiful.
People here friendly.
Yeah. Cool. Thank you, man. So this is Will. Will also looks after the marina here, Waitui Marina.
Yes, Waitui Marina.
What do you love about Savu Savu? Will?
Well, I'm from here, born and bred in Savu Savu. What else? Best spear fishing spots in Fiji.
Ooh.
Yeah, nice big fish. Yes, I was born, bred. Great grandparents and all from Savu Savu. Yeah, and just moved back 2.5 years ago.
Yeah.
I was working in Nandi for the airlines.
Ah.
Yeah, so when COVID struck,
Yeah. You came back home.
no job, and came back home.
Yeah.
And that's when I was asked by the owner of this place to come and just spend some time here looking after the Waitui Marina.
Fantastic. And you're always smiling, so you
What's
must,
that?
you're always smiling, so you must be
you have to,
enjoying
have to
life.
smile, eh, within Savu. It's contagious.
It's true. Absolutely true. Fantastic.
Hey.
Thank you, Matt.
Yeah, man.
Thank
you
you.
for staying with us.
Ah,
Yeah, man.
It's been a pleasure.
That's
It's
it.
been a great pleasure.
We've done a final provision, racing around the town, got everything on board that we can think of that we need. Got plenty of diesel, we've got full water tanks, and we're heading to Vanua Balavu tonight, so an overnight passage. We've got Chico, he's having a snooze at the moment. Emma's about to have a swim, I'm about to have a swim, and then we're hauling anchor and off we go. Well, actually we're not hauling anchor, we're dropping the mooring. It's a beautiful evening, there's a good breeze. Kind of sad to leave this place. It's so cool. People are so friendly. Fantastic. It's been a really nice experience, and I'll be very happy to come back here for another few days. I could spend a month here quite happily, I reckon.
Amazing sunset. It is such a beautiful night. I've been on watch for about 2 hours, and we've got a lovely 6.5 knots, a very gentle sea stay, lots of stars. Spent a bit of time tweaking the hydrovane, but I finally got it right. And I'm just enjoying being up here on my own. It's beautiful. Feeling very lucky tonight.
26 in the morning. Had a pretty crazy overnight passage, lots of change. Wind was consistent for a little while, but then it dropped right out as we came around one of the bigger islands. Then it came back in at about 20 knots for a while. So I had to reef the main, and then back off again to unreef the main. So I kept getting up during my off watch to help out, sort things out. Had to help Emma once, had to help Chica once, and had to keep helping myself because it's just been so changeable. I've barely had a chance to sit down and go, yeah, okay, here we are. But on a good note, the moon was beautiful tonight. There's been some fantastic shooting stars, and the moon set was gorgeous. And now the sunrise is just creeping in. Yeah, we're making pretty good time.
Bring us down. We got the swagger. We wear the crown. Our game, our town. You put up your walls, we'll knock them down. Come on, come on. You get the boom, boom on. Come on.
So I just got up to do my morning watch after what I thought was going to be a nice evening, but it wasn't. I had a beautiful evening watch, but then when I went to bed, things got really changeable. At one stage, I think the wind picked up to about 20 knots, and I could hear Sam and Chico scrabbling about trying to put a reef back in. Then it died out, the engine went on, the engine went back off, then it went back on again. So it was just one of those nights where you think you're going to have a good night's sleep and get to your destination pretty refreshed, but that wasn't to be. And if I feel bad, I can't even imagine how Sam must be feeling, because he had to do the lion's share of the work last night. But on a positive note, it's a beautiful morning. Some lovely cloud action going on. Our friends from Masterplan are just ahead of us, so that was a nice surprise to see them there. So we should all arrive at the village at the same time, and we can do Savu Savu together. So I'm really excited to see what this day has in store, despite not having had my coffee yet and feeling pretty tired, but that's okay. Nothing a good night's sleep tonight won't fix.
Come on, come on. You get your boom, boom on. Say, come on, come on. You get your boom, boom on.
We're just arriving at the island. A couple of other boats waiting for us to go in and do the Savu Savu with the chief. So this will be our first experience with that. So it'll be kind of cool.
Google it.
And now we're doing Savu Savu.
Okay, Savu Savu. First time Savu Savu?
First time Savu Savu.
First time I serve you.
Sa nagpunsa ka mong torong tindaku na sulseki na biwan donui yang ngalawa untuk meresekaini na bunong tuwur kosun untuk misa kebutuhan. Tadi gua nuntuan kon kompeten toka sa boga seklain kersa bon tamat sa diversar sa minan ko kolong taki untuk kolong sa ciko untuk dus untuk kersto mana indina amdo do Naka.
Naka.
Everything is open to you.
Yeah. Whatever you want to do.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. All free.
Yeah.
Delconi was a very tidy and neat little town. The kids were playing ball, having fun. Everyone was very welcoming and happy.
Great acoustics.
Great.
That was impressive.
And it's burning in the eyes.
After the lack of sleep from a crossing, it is just fantastic to stop, stay still in an amazing spot like this. Felt so blessed.
What do you reckon of this spot, Chico?
It's beautiful.
Pretty stunning, huh?
It's a piece of heaven.
A little piece of heaven. It's our first night out here. We've got a sunset like that. Moonrise at the same time over here.
With all the customary things checked, refreshing swim, we slept like logs that night in a beautiful spot. How lucky is this? The next morning, Chico cooked us shakshuka for breakfast, and then we were lucky enough to see this whale.
Chico got in.
Chico was so excited to swim with this whale, so he jumped in and swam over as close as he dared.
He's coming to say hello. He's turning around to get ya. Wow. Oh! That's so cool. Oh my god.
The whale wasn't so excited about hanging out with Chico, and just like that, it was gone.
How did it feel being in there with the whale, Chico?
It was amazing. A little bit scary.
Yeah.
Because I couldn't see much around.
Yeah.
But wow, exciting. The first encounter with a whale.
That's pretty awesome.
Yeah.
First time you've ever seen one at all?
First time I've ever seen one.
Oh, wow. Okay. Wow, that is pretty special, yeah.
And as if that wasn't enough for Vanua Balavu to hand us, we also had this amazing, quiet and easy sail around into the beautiful Bay of Islands. But that's a story for the next episode. Thanks for watching.
Come on. You get your boom boom on. Woke up blue today.
Wow.
Gonna paint up right away. Dark thoughts, just let them lay. Rising fire, rising slay. Come on, come on. You get your boom boom on. Now come on, come on. You get your boom.